We are in Hollywood, California. As you can see from this beautiful weather here and the trees. We are cruising on Sunset Boulevard and we're going to hike the Hollywood sign. Trying to get to the Hollywood sign right now, but having a little trouble finding the trail. Hollywood sign is directly behind me, but we've come to a point where it's fenced off and there's barbed wire and cameras and stuff like that. And we're trying to figure out how to get up there. You can see it right there. There's all these weird little trails, but you gotta figure out how to get to them without going through people's fences and properties and stuff like that. So it's a little bit of a adventure going on right now. We figured it out. We made it. There.
Just him or everyone?
Let's do it.
Okay, wait.
What is up? Welcome to Oceanside, California. We stayed out here last night on my good friend Derek's boat at Vancraft. Nice enough to let us come and crash on his boat here down at the Oceanside Harbour. Look at this. Beautiful Southern Californian weather. We got the paddle boards right here. We're gonna go paddling. We're gonna enjoy the day. Yew!
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey little lady, said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're wrong.
boat life. Southern California life on the boat.
Let's do what I gotta do. Like just... I'm scared. Do I just stand?
You don't have to stand, you can go on your knees first. There you go.
Should I try standing?
Go for it. So you want to stand probably a little bit further back, like near where that black thing is. Yeah, even further back a little bit, about there. You just want to be kind of in the middle. You can do it.
Can I do it?
Don't matter if you fall in.
Should I be right back?
No, not really. That's about perfect. Yep. Trust me. You're good. Go for it, babe. Yeah. Alright. Oh, did you put your shark repellent on? Shark repellent? Alright, have fun.
You're coming with me.
Bye. Alright, I'm coming. Can't take the camera on the paddleboard, so see you guys when we get back. Where are we?
We're in Encinitas.
Derek's in meditation.
Where are we?
We're out here checking the waves at Swami's from this beautiful viewpoint up here. Not much surf, but
Put it in the tree.
what a kook. The fuck? You should do it, Derek. Just go over there and pick it up and just put it somewhere else, like on the roof.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay.